Dear student, good morning. See some question on continuity and differentiability. Question first, discuss the continuity of the function fx given by fx is equal to 2 minus x where x is less than 2 and 2 plus x where x is greater or equal to 2 at x is equal to 2. This is a piecewise function. See the solution LHL, that is left hand limit. Limit x tends to 2 negative of fx is equal to limit x tends to 2, that is 2 minus x, putting the value of x, so 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. RHL, that is right hand limit, limit x tends to 2 positive fx is equal to limit x tends to 2, 2 plus x, so 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Here left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. So the function is not continuous at x is equal to 2. See the question second, so that fx is equal to 5x minus 4 where 0 is less than x less or equal to 1. Next 4x cube minus 3x where when 1 is less than x less than 2 is continuous at x is equal to 1. See the solution LHL, limit x tends to 1 negative, fx is equal to limit x tends to 1, 5x minus 4. So limit x tends to 1 negative, fx is equal to 5 multiply 1 minus 4, which is equal to 1. That is right hand limit x tends to 1 positive, fx is equal to limit x tends to 1, 4x cube minus 3x. So 4 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1, that is equal to 1. The value of function fx is equal to f5x minus 4. So f1 is equal to 5 into 1 minus 4 equal to 1. It is clear that LHL equal to right, RHL is equal to value of function. Therefore, function is continuous at x is equal to 1. See the next question. Discuss the continuity of function fx is equal to mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2 at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. See the solution, we have fx is equal to mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2. We define this function in piece form. So if x is less than 1, the value of this function will come minus 2x plus 3. If the value of x lie between 1 and 2, so function will come 1, and if x is greater or equal to 2, so the function is equal to 2x minus 3. So check the continuity first of all at x is equal to 1. That is LHL, limit x tends to 1 negative, fx is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus 2x plus 3. So the value will come 1. Next RHL, limit x tends to 1 positive, fx is equal to limit x tends to 1, that is 1. So f1 is equal to minus 2 into 1 plus 3, which is equal to 1. So at x is equal to 1, LHL is equal to RHL and value of function are same. So the function is continuous at x is equal to 1. Continuity at x is equal to 2. LHL, limit x tends to 2 negative, fx is equal to limit x tends to 1, 2. So it is equal to 1. And RHL, limit x tends to 2 positive, fx is equal to limit x tends to 2, 2x minus 3, which is equal to 1. At x is equal to 2, f2 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 3 is equal to 1. So it is clear that LHL is equal to RHL equal to value of function. Therefore, function is continuous at x is equal to 4. Remaining question of NCERT you can do himself. This is the homework for you. That's all.